It's a beautiful day for a race in Sodor. Thomas and Percy are lined up at the starting line. Gentlemen, start your engines. On your mark, get set, go! And they're off. It's a tight race. Bust my boiler. The bridge just burst apart. The two steamies take the curve. This is a nail-biter, folks. They're approaching the finish line. The checkered flag goes up. Cinders and ashes, Percy wins! Hooray! But Thomas is ready for a rematch. My 5-year-old son loves trains. He loves watching, riding, and playing with them. It's no surprise that his favorite toy is the Thomas & Friends TrackMaster Railway Race Set, and we think that you'll love it too. In this video, we will show you unboxing, assembly, and racing. Let's get started. Unboxing. The set comes with over 40 pieces. This includes lots of track, a bridge, a finish line, and a racing Percy and a racing Thomas. It also comes with easy to follow directions and decals. In addition, you will need 4 AAA batteries and a Phillips head screwdriver. These items are not included. Time for assembly. First, add the decals to the finish line. Then, the Great Race label to the bridge. Next, place the flag decals. Unscrew the bottom of the 2 trains. Then place 2 AAA batteries into each engine. Reassemble the trains and tighten the screws on each. A switch on top turns each train on and off. Now, let's assemble the bursting bridge. Just line up the groove and place it in the socket. Add the 2 ramp pieces. Notice one piece has an activation switch. That should face toward the finish line. Then add the bridge railing pieces. Note, use the simple to follow directions to help you assemble all of the pieces. Each piece has a letter and a number engraved on the back, so you know which parts to use. Now let's put together the outer curve. The top curved track snaps into these 2 flag holding pillars. We will continue adding track pieces and then assemble the inner curve. Each curve connects to these joining pieces. Next, we will assemble the finish line. The pieces simply snap into place. Let's put together the rest of the track. It's best to lay out all of the pieces first based on the directions and then snap them together. Wow, little engines can do big things. The track looks great. Now let's get ready to race. Before each race, push down the racing flags and fireworks. Close the bursting bridge. Set the track switches in opposite directions to ensure the engines continue racing on opposing tracks, or you may have a collision. Set the stop tracks lever to the stop position. Place the engines side by side. Turn the engines on. When you're ready to race, push the levers forward to release the trains. And they're off! Go, Thomas, go! We hope that you enjoyed our video. Check out the links in the description below for more information. Please like and subscribe, and above all, we wish you happy racing.